Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever run into the EBT Error Code 714? You're not alone. This pesky little number has been the cause of frustration for many EBT users. It shows up out of the blue just when you're trying to make a payment with your EBT card, and it usually reads something like "trans denied." So what's the deal with this error code? It's a bit of a party pooper, isn't it? Here's what we found. You could encounter EBT Error Code 714 in a few different situations. Perhaps you're trying to order from a restaurant or outlet that isn't permitted under the EBT program. Or maybe you're not eligible for the EBT Restaurant Meals program. For those unfamiliar, this program is a special subset of the EBT determined by factors such as age, homelessness, or disability. In essence, this mysterious error code 714 is essentially telling you, sorry, but this payment isn't allowed. Now, if you're thinking, wait a minute, I'm sure my transaction should be valid, or if you're feeling a tad confused, don't worry. You can always refer to the official website to get all the information you need. To put it all in a nutshell, EBT Error Code 714 pops up when you're trying to make a payment that isn't allowed under the EBT program or the EBT Restaurant Meals program. If you're unsure about why you're seeing this error, the best course of action is to head over to the official website and get all the information you need. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.